Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Vijayawada location. It is from Andhra Pradesh. Let us discuss one by one in detail. There are openings available for the teachers to teach Cambridge and CBSE curriculum in a reputed international school. So they have vacancies for the teachers for nursery, second class, and also mother teachers. Qualification will be post graduation with Montessori training. So interested candidates, you can contact them with the given phone number for more detailed information. Next one. There are openings available for civil and structural design engineer, marketing executives, and also for accountant. For civil and structural design engineer position, one vacancy is available, and for marketing executives, four vacancies are available, and for accountant position, only one vacancy is available. And diploma or graduate with 3 to 4 years of relevant experience is required. So salary will be based on the experience and at per with the best in the industry. So interested candidates, you can send your resume to the provided mail id, and for more detailed information you can also approach them with the given contact numbers. There are openings available from NRI Institute of Technology Autonomous. So it is affiliated to JNT UK. So they have openings for the professors, associate professors, and assistant professors in the departments of computer science and engineering, AI and ML, data science, and CSE. So coming to qualifications and salary details, as per the AICTE norms, and the candidates with PhD and MTech will be given preference. The candidates with higher experience qualification from reputed institutions will be offered attractive pay package. So the candidates should bring a copy of their resume along with the original certificates. So experience certificates and proof of last salary drawn. So the interviews will be held on 14th July 2021 at 10 a.m. onwards in the college premises. So interested candidates, you can send your resume to the provided mail id, and you can also approach them with the given contact numbers for more detailed information. One, there are openings available from Aditya Engineering, Pharmacy and Polytechnic colleges. So they have vacancies for the professors, associate professors, and assistant professors for the engineering and polytechnic in the departments of civil, electrical and electronics, mechanical, electronics and communication, and CSC and agricultural engineering, and also for the MBA, pharmacy, and also basic sciences like mathematics, physics, English, campus recruitment training, aptitude, soft skills. So for these positions, qualification will be like for pharmacy, M pharmacy is the qualification, and for engineering, MTech will be the qualification, and for polytechnic, BTech will be the qualification. So these are the qualification details required. So you can apply on before 15th July 2021. So for more detailed information and application link, and for more detailed information, you please go through with the website provided here. And if you have any queries regarding this job notification, you can also approach them with the given contact numbers. Next one, there are openings available for web developer position. It is from Kanakadurga Finance Limited. So for this position, you should be having 2 years of experience in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So interested candidates, you can send your resume to the provided mail ID, that is careers at kanakadurgafinance.com, and you can also approach them with the given phone number for more detailed information. Next one, there are openings available from Dr. NTR University of Health Sciences located in Vijayawada. So the applications are invited from the eligible employees for the positions of senior assistant, senior accountant DTA, and junior assistant to work in Dr. NTR University of Health Sciences located in Vijayawada. So interested candidates, you can apply to these jobs on before 5th August 2021 by 5 p.m. So for more detailed information about this job notification, you can check in the official website link mentioned here. Next one, there are openings available from Navata Road Transport. So a leading logistics firm with 650 above branches spread across 10 states requires. So they requires the following positions, like for senior application developers and also junior application developers in Vijayawada location. So for these positions, qualification will be diploma in computers or BTech or MCA, and experience will be 1 to 8 years. So fresher candidates can also apply for these positions. So interested candidates, you can send your resume to the provided mail ID, and if you have any queries, you can also approach them with the given contact numbers. And for more detailed information, you can visit in the official website link provided here. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.